Ethan, time to go home.
It's 7 o'clock already? I need to finish this. I'd better call my husband.
Okay, good night.
See you tomorrow.
Hey, Emma.
Hey, Bob, just checking in.
Okay. Are you still working?
Yes, I'm still in the office. I'm just finishing something. Are you and the kids eating dinner now?
No. We already ate. Pizza.
Oh, good. I'm eating a sandwich. It's so noisy. What are you doing?
I'm doing the laundry. Wait. I'm moving to another room.
Oh, that's better. So what are the kids doing? Are they doing their homework?
No. Believe it or not, they're doing chores.
What?
Luke is washing the dishes.
What about Olivia?
She's cleaning her room.
Really? That's amazing.
I know.
Okay, well, I should be home in an hour or two. I've got to get back to work.
Okay, honey. Come home soon.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.